or the other will think of their competitor in the house कि उनके घर में सबसे biggest competitor कौन है. So with that idea in mind, I want AK sir, I want you to think of your biggest competition. Do you have someone in mind?
Me myself.
Me myself. Let's give it up for him. Yes, me myself. That is cool. But second biggest competitor.
Again me.
अरे यार AK sir, please. Somebody else. I know there is somebody who you're inspired by in some way, but there must be somebody, and I know you have somebody in mind.
Yeah, there is some.
There is someone, right?
There is somebody.
Okay, I want you to hold out your hand like this, please. Hold out your hand, please, just like this.
Yeah.
And think of this name. Don't really say it, but just think of this name. जो भी नाम है इनका, इनके बारे में सोचिए.
Yeah.
Now, this man has been in the film industry for 4 decades. That's no small feat. He's been on the top of his game. At many points in time, over each decade, there have been many people that have been alongside you, but you've persevered. You've been working hard. I think, and this is his thought process right now. This is what I think. AK sir, जब competition के बारे में सोचते हैं, I think you're thinking big. You're thinking globally, and because you've also established a footing globally. Am I right in saying that? Yes or no?
Well, yeah, in a way, yes. Yeah, of course, yeah.
Please put your hand down for a second.
Yeah.
I want you to just think of the name. Don't say it. This means there is a name that is not his. I feel good about this. Close your eyes, please. Don't open your eyes and do not say anything. Just keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद रखनी है आपको. Can we have the camera over here? I'm going to write down what I think the first letter is over here. ये देख करके अगर आपको लगे.
मैं देख सकता हूँ जरा.
हाँ, आप देख सकते हो मुनावर, please. We'll write this down, and if you see it, please don't say it. We'll just write down the first letter over here. आपको बोलना नहीं है, सिर्फ देखना है. Okay? Everybody can see it? Yes? Okay. AK, so please open your eyes. We've written the first letter. For the first time, tell all of us what is the first letter.
D.
D for Delhi? Something like this?
Oh.
Wow. Yes.
Think of the whole name right now. Don't
Can't
say
believe this,
anything.
really, honestly, fantastic. Yeah.
It gets better. Please keep your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes. Don't say anything. This is somebody I think who inspires him, because at some point he wants to make movies like this person.
Yeah. I thought about it.
And direct and produce and probably act like this person as well.
Tell me who it is. I'm going to tell you, you're going to say.
You're going to keep your eyes closed for one more second.
Yes, I am.
So we've written this down. I'm going to show it to you. Please don't show anybody. Open your eyes, please, AK sir. Open your eyes.
Oh,
Don't tell
yes.
me the name just yet, but you never told me this before today, right?
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
For the first time in your loudest public speaking voice, everybody's seen it, so their reaction will confirm for us. हम सबको बताइए, who is your biggest competitor? Please tell all of us.
Well, he's not my competitor. In a way, yes, of course, I want to compete with the best of the best in the world, and not only nationally but internationally. But you want to compete, you get inspired. Sometimes you're very envious. So all these things are there. Of course, it is Denzel Washington. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Denzel Washington, exactly. That is the name. Sir.
How did you know that?
Thank you so much.
चिराग के लिए जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों. क्या कर रहे हो? चिराग 1 मिनट.
Yes.
Superb, यार. हाँ. अच्छा मुझे बता दे यार.
ये क्या कर रहे हो?
ब्रो मैं खिस रहा हूँ तेरे को. जिन निकलता है क्या? यार चिराग तो यार
ये
कसम
family
से
show है, sorry.
जानता है कैसे. लेकिन अभी चिराग रुको. हाँ तुम्हारा और काम है मेरे को सर.
Yes.
24 आवर्स स्ट्रीम होने वाला है बिग बॉस ओटीटी, राइट? 24 घंटे. इसमें कुछ भी छुपाना मुश्किल है. सीक्रेट्स किसी को तुम बता रहे हो, फिर भी वो बाहर आ रहे हैं. मतलब आपका गॉसिप भी गॉसिप नहीं है. तो इस सब चीजों के लिए जो सीक्रेट, जो हाइड नहीं हो सकते, कुछ भी छुपा हुआ नहीं हो सकता, जैसे इन्होंने माइंड ही अनलॉक कर दिया, तो ये जो सीक्रेट वाली चीजें हैं वो कुछ करके बताओ तो थोड़ा इम्प्रेस हो.
Okay, in fact, that sounds like a good idea. और हमें आप में से कुछ लोगों की जरूरत पड़ेगी. AK sir, I'm going to have you also be a part of this. I want you to stand right here. I'll be back in a second. How many of you have a 4-digit password on your phones? Please put your hands up. Everybody with a 4-digit password, and we'll come pick you at random. I'm just going to find some space. Yes, you can come up.
यहाँ भी काफी लोग हैं।
एक मिनट, हम लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे. And we have somebody over here in this row. Yeah, you can come up. Yes, we'll have you come up as well. And there's a lady over here in stripes. Yeah, please come up. And let's give them a big hand. Just 3 people for this one. And of course, the one and only AK sir is going to be a part. I'm sorry, we need both of them. We need the ladies to come up. I will have you guys up at some point. So if you have face unlock. What does that say over there? No face detected, we don't look the same. AK sir, you have to be a magician to unlock this. The only way they can unlock this is if they know what my password is. So give me a 4-digit code and we'll try this right now. Can we have you pan in on the phone?
I have to give you.
Yeah, give me a random 4-digit password.
So I have to see all the four.
All the 4 digits right now for the first time.
24, 56.
2, 4, 5, 6. That says wrong. Am I right in saying that was your pin?
Yes, it was.
That is your pin. That is your pin. Okay, we'll try this again. Can you give us a random 4 digits? Koi 1313. 13, unlucky number, obviously won't work. We have 3 more chances, तो अब हम गलती नहीं करेंगे. 5 मिनट और लंबा खींच जाएगा ये. What's your name? Alice. Have you met before today anywhere in the world, somewhere else? So this is going to sound weird to you, but your password is my password. It's 1 in 10,000 that this will work, but if this works, AK, so that'll be pretty cool, wouldn't that? So
Absolutely, yeah.
We'll have you try this. Just try it in once. Don't show anybody. Take a step back. Your pin is my pin. 1 in 10,000. Yes or no? Does it work? Don't try it again. That would have been a good trick, right? That would have been an excellent trick. I am not that good. We'll try this again. So look, I'm going to have you hold the phone like this at the bottom, right over here, at the bottom. Okay? Keep it facing the camera. Whenever somebody says a digit, I just want you to type in the digit, but look ahead like that. You can look, but lean ahead. Don't turn the phone towards
नहीं
you.
बाजी देख लो.
We'll start with AK sir. All of you, think of a number between 0 and 9. What you can do is lean ahead like that and type it in, because the camera has to see it. The camera has to see the phone.
कैमरे
Yeah,
निकाल
yeah.
देना आप.
Don't turn it away from the camera. So we'll start with you.
2.
Put in 2, please.
Okay.
2. 7. Put in 7. Please don't face it towards the camera and then type.
Okay.
5. Put in 5. Don't put in your number. 275. So far, this is exactly how my password starts, and the reason is the 2nd of July is my mother's birthday, Munawar.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Aaj
Chiraki.
And the 5th of a particular month, sir, is my cat's birthday. His name is Houdini. It's really funny. You have a number in mind. What is it? Are you sure? Don't turn the phone away. Put in 3 over there. And you are inside my phone right now, which is a bit of a pickle because you know my password. I'm going to have to change this, but thank you so much for coming up. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to need you guys to stay back just for 1 second.
की मैडम ये जाने देना इनको. तो सर के लिए तालियां बजा दो प्लीज.
Let's give them a big hand. I want you to stay back for 1 second. Thank you. Yes, you can go. Thank you.
अच्छा ये क्या एलिमिनेशन चल रहा है क्या?
Now you guys unlock. इन्होंने मेरा password खोला. Obviously that means we're going to try and do it. AK sir and I are going to try and do it together. So please hold out your hand like this. Yes, that one please. And AK sir, if I can borrow the mic for 1 second, put your hand against hers like that, and put the other one against mine.
ये
No. Teamwork. We'll do this. We'll go really slow. Do exactly what I'm doing to her hand, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I'm going to say it starts with a 3. Yes? Please hold the mic.
मैं हूँ ना.
It starts with a 3.
Yes.
You've got a 1 now.
Yes.
There is something recurring. One number comes in twice.
Yes.
Look at AK sir right now. So I want you to look at me, please. Yes or no? Is it 3173?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Can we check? Do you have your phone? Can we just check it right now?
आपका पासवर्ड गेस किया उसने? तुम लोग पैसा दो ये शो का. फ्री में देख रहे हो ये सब? हाँ लो पकड़ो ये, चलो ये लॉक है।
3173.
हाँ हाँ
ले लिया हाँ
3173
7 3.
तेरी
Thank you.
गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बनेगी ब्रो कभी।
Motivation के लिए thanks. Thank you so much for coming up. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Let's
Thank
give
you
her a
so
big
much.
hand, Alice, everybody.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच
यार क्या बात है चिराग, तुमने
चिराग,
मतलब
you were
आज
fantastic.
आज
चिराग.
कमाल ही कर दिया सर।
God bless you.
Thank you so
और
much.
सर फोन खोल दिया, मतलब सर ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है, क्योंकि फोन कितनी जरूरी चीज है सर।
बहुत जरूरी चीज़ है
और बिग बॉस के घर में नहीं है।
नहीं व्हाट बिग बॉस के घर में बहुत कुछ और बहुत कुछ है
और बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन सर लाइफ लाइन कुछ ऐसा तो होता है ना लाइफ में कि कुछ चीजें होती है जिसके बिना आप सरवाइव नहीं कर पाते। आपकी लाइफ में सर वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है?
मेरी लाइफ में मतलब बिग बॉस के घर में अगर मैं पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ या रियल लाइफ
मतलब
में
कोई कुछ भी बताओ सर, कि आपको ये दो चीजें हैं जो आपको चाहिए ऑल द टाइम।
जलाल है माय मैनेजर माय
ओके
younger brother my son you know
दूसरे के कौन सी चीज है?
फोन दूसरा फोन
फोन,
बहुत
मोबाइल
जरूरी
फोन।
है। अरे फोन के बिना
मोबाइल
कौन
के बिना
कौन
कौन
जी
रहता
सकता है
है?
आजकल फोन के बिना बताओ मुझे कोई जी सकता है
लेकिन सर बिग बॉस के घर में जीना पड़ता है बिना मोबाइल के, नहीं देते
हाँ नहीं देते
नहीं देते।
नेवर से नेवर मुनव्वर नेवर से ये मैंने बोला था ना ये कुछ सीजन खास होने वाला है और अब सब बदलेगा
ओह तो यहाँ पे सर हिंट दे रहे हैं सर, मैं चाहूंगा आप और चीजें हिंट दे दो, लेकिन उससे पहले चिराग
Yes.
आप कुछ दिखाने वाले हो आप?
Yes, we will do this last one for AK Source specially, so you get to.
चिराग के
be
लिए
a
एक
part
बार
of this.
जोरदार तालियां यार।
Thank you. और शुरू करने से पहले मैं आप में से किसी एक को ये envelope देने वाला हूँ and you're going to keep it with you.
भाई चिराग कोई लड़की के बैग वैग में
Please,
हाथ मत
hold on
डाल
to
दियो,
this.
बहुत मारेंगे।
कोशिश किए करूँगा हाँ, thanks. So keep that please, उसके खोलना मत, just keep it with you. So we'll start like this. आप कोई भी एक कार्ड निकालिए अंदर से, just pick one card. Okay, now look at that card. You can show it to Munawar as well.
मैं नहीं देखा, मैंने नहीं देखा।
Sign it. एक ऑटोग्राफ तो बनता है सर.
अरे ये कोई इसको सामने ले आएगा प्लीज ये और एक ग्लास थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी भी लिया मेरे लिए प्लीज या कैन आई हैव सम वाटर प्लीज
And somebody in the first row, maybe somebody from the media, can you give us a two-digit number, any two-digit number? 38? 38? Okay. So please write down the number 38 over there so you know that there is only one card with your sign.
Even you can see it or it's okay no?
I won't look.
Okay okay
I promise.
so what do I do now
Write down the number 38 on the card. So we know there's only one card with the number 38 written that looks like his card. And you could have said any number.
Yeah.
Are we done?
you're done
Turn it face down.
yeah
I will take it back. I won't look at it, but we'll do it like this. Now, can we get a close shot from the front? My hands are empty.
Yeah. Move हो रहा है।
So there's one card that flies out of the deck. And it looks like AK's card with the number 38 printed on it. AK, one last thing for you. This is how we end our time together. But I want you to watch the card. Please bring your camera back here. Watch the card. We'll do this right in front of AK sir, so you can see it. Are we live on screen? One.
Oh.
So your card has gone from here. Which begs the question, sir, where could it be right now? शुरू करने से पहले हमने आपको वो envelope दिया था. Can you please come on up on stage? Let's give her a big hand, please. Please join us over here. Thank you. Open up that envelope. What's your name? Sanika. Please open up the envelope. And tell us, take out what you find inside. It's a box. Yeah, open it up. Now look. I want you to see this. So you all can get a good shot at this. There's a playing card in here. Right here. Please take this, open it up, and show us what it says on it. Thank you. Please show it to the camera as well so everybody can see it.
38.
Thank you so much, Sanika, for being a part of this. Thank you, AK sir.
Thank you, Chirag.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
Manoj.
much. You were fantastic, terrific.
क्या बात है
Thank you.
क्या बात है?
क्या
Very,
बात
very hugely talented. God bless you.
ऐसा
All the best.
जब
Thank you.
धोखा रिलेशनशिप में होना तो ट्रेजिक होता है